So I wanted to give you a heads up on this new Wilton Bash sledgehammer. Now Bash stands for Badass Sledgehammer, so it's almost redundant to say Bash Sledgehammer, but this thing is pretty cool. If you work with one of these for a living, you're going to want to know about this thing. First of all, traditional sledgehammers, as you are aware, have the wedge holding the head on in some cases. This sledgehammer has steel cords running the entire length of the handle. Wilton is so sure you can't break this handle, as a matter of fact, that if you do, they got a 2-year warranty on this thing. You break it, normal use, they give you $1,000. And now, just for kicks, here's me attempting to swing this. It's heavy. I'd say it passes the test. The Bash sledgehammer, and the only reason we're stopping is because I'm tired. This thing's heavy. This is the 10-pound sledge. So Wilton, the Bash, I think they have a winner on their hands. It breaks stuff, there's no doubt about that.